If you're tired of pulling cords or dealing with gas fumes just to trim your lawn, a battery-powered string trimmer might be the upgrade your yard care routine needs. In today's video, we'll break down the top 5 battery string trimmers available on Amazon, each offering reliable cordless power, smart features, and ease of use to keep your yard looking its best. Our first pick is the Stihl FSA80R battery-powered string trimmer, which has been recognized by multiple reviewers as a top-tier performer. Designed for professionals and serious homeowners, this trimmer runs on a 36-volt lithium-ion battery and offers gas-like performance with quiet operation. It delivers 25 to 31 minutes of runtime on a 4 amp-hour battery and supports line sizes up to 0.105 inches, allowing for aggressive trimming. The build quality is superb, with excellent balance and a loop handle that offers control even during extended use. It's a bit heavier than others on this list, but makes up for it with outstanding cutting power and precision. For those who want premium quality and performance, the Stihl FSA80R is a solid long-term investment. Next up is the Ego Power Plus ST1623T 56-volt PowerLOAD string trimmer, one of the most technologically advanced models available. It features Ego's innovative PowerLOAD system, which automatically winds the line with the push of a button, and Line IQ technology that continuously feeds the line without the need for bumping. With a powerful 56-volt battery and a 16-inch cutting swath, it easily handles thick weeds and dense overgrowth. The carbon fiber shaft keeps it lightweight yet durable, and the brushless motor ensures smooth, vibration-free operation. Users rave about its ease of use, quick setup, and pro-level performance. Whether you're maintaining a large lawn or need to edge around landscape features, the Ego ST1623T brings convenience and cutting-edge tech to the job. Our third pick is the Worx PowerShare GT 3.020-volt cordless trimmer Yash Edger, a lightweight and versatile option that's ideal for smaller yards and quick cleanup. This model is Amazon's best-selling electric trimmer for good reason. It features a 12-inch cutting path and converts easily between trimmer and wheeled edger modes. The kit includes 2 20-volt batteries and a charger, which means you can swap out batteries for extended use. It's easy to adjust the shaft height and handle position, making it ergonomic for users of all sizes. This trimmer is especially suited for homeowners who want something light, simple, and affordable that still gets the job done. For occasional use and routine yard maintenance, the Worx GT 3.0 delivers excellent value and flexibility. Fourth on our list is the Black+Decker 20-volt Max EasyFeed string trimmer Yash Edger, a top value pick praised for its balance of price, weight, and functionality. Weighing in at about 8 pounds, it features a 10 to 12-inch cutting swath and a power drive transmission that offers more torque when you need it. The standout feature here is the EasyFeed system, which allows you to advance the line with a button instead of bumping it, making trimming easier and less frustrating. It converts to an edger in seconds and includes an adjustable height handle for better comfort. While it may not handle extremely thick weeds as efficiently as higher voltage models, it's perfect for most suburban lawns and gardens. For those seeking affordability without compromising reliability, the Black+Decker EasyFeed is a strong contender. Finally, we have the Greenworks 40-volt 12-inch cordless string trimmer, an excellent mid-range option for homeowners who want more power without jumping to commercial-level tools. This trimmer runs on a 40-volt battery, giving it more cutting strength than typical 20-volt models. It features a 12-inch cutting path, an automatic line feed, and a pivoting head for edging tasks. What users really love is the lightweight design and smooth performance. It's easy to maneuver, stores compactly, and comes with a battery and charger, making it a complete starter kit. With thousands of positive reviews and a proven track record, the Greenworks 40-volt trimmer is perfect for maintaining a tidy yard without the hassle of cords or gas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more practical reviews and gear guides to upgrade your outdoor tools with confidence.